Hey, update your OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro into Android 11 in seconds. So OnePlus recently launched its Android 11 developer preview program for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Basically, it's a ROM, not custom, but officially by OnePlus, which offers the all-new Android version 11. And if you want to experience it, you can do it right now. You won't be getting it through an OTA update. But you can simply download it officially from OnePlus site, the link is given in the description. After downloading the ROM, the installation process is pretty simple. All you need to do is download the ROM zip file and place it in your internal storage. Then go to Settings, System Updates, click top right icon, Local Upgrade, click on the corresponding installation package, then Upgrade. That's all, your phone will update and restart into an Android 11 device. It's a preview ROM, so we can expect some bugs. Please check out the description link, you will find an official full guide posted by OnePlus. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more quick news/tutorials like this.